Hi. Today, let's talk about why identity is memory in motion. Most of us believe that if we understand ourselves well enough, we can change. That insight is the key. That if you can just see the pattern clearly, you can step back from it and do something different. Well, there's a truth in that, but it's not the whole picture. And the part that's missing explains why so many people understand themselves perfectly and still keep repeating the same things. We think of memory as a filing system. Short-term memory, long-term memory, filing systems. Something happens, it gets stored. We retrieve it when we need it. But that's not how the body works. Memory is re-enactment. Just like any stage play, it differs. When your body encounters something similar to a past experience, it doesn't just look up a record. It reruns the original response before you've consciously registered anything, before you've formed a single thought. And this is why certain people make you tense the moment they walk into the room, why a particular tone puts you on guard immediately, when you can feel dread before you've even opened your email. Your body's been here before, it knows what's coming. It already knows what it means, and it responds before your thinking mind has even caught up. So now here's the uncomfortable part. What you call character, the way you respond to pressure, to intimacy, to disappointment, isn't really chosen. It's accumulated. It's the weight of every time you responded in a particular way, carving that response a little deeper into the nervous system with every repetition. The person who always goes quiet when they're hurting isn't deciding to withdraw. It's automatic. Withdrawal is just the channel worn deepest in their psyche. If you want to go deeper into this, into why repetition is structural rather than personal, and what that means for how change actually happens, that's what we're going to get into next. Thank you.